Hello ninjas, I am Sensei Elizabeth and I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Minecraft with your mod from the Minecraft Modding Masters camp this week. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to install Java. We want to install the program called Java. So we're going to go to our Padlet link and scroll down to this section that says Minecraft Modding Masters, and we're going to click on this link that says Java. We're going to open this website, and we're going to click on this green button that says Download Java. Now once we're done, we're going to go ahead and open up our Downloads folder. So I open up my folders on Windows, and I go to my Downloads folder. And this is this top one here is that starts with JRE. This is the program that's going to install Java on our computer. You're going to make changes, and it's going to have this. We only want to worry about clicking install. It'll take a few seconds. And now we have successfully installed Java. You can go ahead and close this. And that's how you install Java onto your computer.